Are you looking for the best man golf towels? Golf towels are a small but essential part of a golfer's kit, serving as a quick clean tool for balls, grooves, grips, and hands between shots. In noisy bag spaces, a well-designed towel with reliable grip, fast-drying microfiber, and a secure hanging mechanism can prevent towel loss and reduce the time spent maintaining equipment. For this review, I evaluated 5 budget-friendly 16-inch by 16-inch and 1 larger 16-inch by 24-inch option from 5 brands.
Product number 1. 3-pack large golf towels. This Lustember 3-pack towel set emphasizes size and durability. The 16 by 24-inch dimensions deliver a more generous cleaning surface, and the tri-fold waffle pattern is designed for deep access to grooves and ball textures. The towels are reinforced with cotton thread around the edges to improve longevity, and the set includes aluminum carabiners for bag attachment. The color trio, black, navy, and gray, offers bag matching options, and the 4.8 by 5 user rating signals strong satisfaction in the field. Material is microfiber, noted for quick drying and soft handling with machine wash care. In real-world use, the larger 16 by 24-inch surface helps with quick drying of sweat and removing dirt from golf balls and clubs. The trifold design keeps the towel compact inside a golf bag while presenting a broad cleaning area when opened. The waffle texture enhances dirt shear and debris capture, reducing a number of passes needed to clean ball grooves. However, at $12.99 for 3 towels, the price edge is modest compared with 2-packs or 3-packs of smaller towels from other brands. The towel's thickness and edge stitching suggest durability, but the weight, over 10 ounces per listed.
Product number 2. HandyPicks Microfiber Golf. HandyPicks offers a compact 16-inch by 16-inch microfiber towel with a built-in carabiner for quick attachment and a 10-inch hook and loop strap to keep towels organized when not in use. The waffle pattern is designed to reach ball grooves and club faces with quick dry properties to prevent odor buildup. The bundle includes 3 towels, 3 carabiners, and 3 loop fasteners, making it a value-packed option at $9.99. This set is optimized for portability. The 16-inch by 16-inch footprint fits easily inside a pocket or a smaller bag, and the included fasteners help maintain towel order between rounds. The product emphasizes streak-free cleaning for glasses and lenses as well, expanding use scenarios beyond clubs and balls. If you frequently shuttle between multiple bags or carts, the 3 carabiner approach simplifies sharing, but some users may prefer larger towels for broader cleaning surfaces. Machine washing and tumble drying are feasible, but the fabric's durability over repeated cycles should be monitored.
Product number 3. 3-pack 16x16 golf towels. Kukaivi's 3-pack focuses on a classic 16x16 size with a premium waffle pattern intended to boost dirt, sand, and grass removal without scratching surfaces. The towels are described as starch and odor resistant with reinforced edges and a claimed absorption capability of up to 300% of water. The set includes 3 aluminum carabiners and color options, blue and gray variants, for bag coordination. The color presentation and weight, 9.2 ounces total per product description, position this as a value-oriented premium feel option in a single color family with 3 tones. Performance-wise, the waffle texture helps lift debris from grooves while providing generous absorption for hands and grips. The 16x16 surface is versatile, and the edge reinforcement should improve longevity with repeated machine washing. A potential downside is the material listing as nylon in some sections, which can raise questions about breathability and odor resistance relative to microfiber. Given the price point, buyers get 3 towels with carabiners, but the color options are more conservative, which may...
Product number 4. Never underestimate an old man. Geigy's novelty towel prioritizes design and gift appeal over large-scale performance. The towel measures 23.6 inches by 15.7 inches, a size that sits between large and standard towels, with a microfiber waffle weave surface and a humorous print. It includes a carabiner clip for attachment and offers machine washable care. The product targets gifting occasions and adult male golfers, making it a personable option for fans of humor and theme-driven gear. In practical terms, the larger length helps if you want a one-towel solution in a bag, but the absence of a tri-fold design or extra edge reinforcement may reduce long-term durability under heavy use. The printed design is durable enough for normal washing cycles, but the focus here is more on aesthetics and social value than optimized cleanup performance. This towel excels as a conversation piece on the course and a thoughtful gift rather than as a top-tier performance towel.
Product number 5, Pro Golf Towel Microfiber Golf Jiskin, presents a value-forward gift box-ready 3-pack of 16 by 16 towels with a complete accessory set. 3 towels, 3 carabiners, 3 hooks or loop fasteners, and a club range card in a gift box. The towels are described as thicker, softer, and more absorbent than typical budget towels, with a 100% microfiber composition. The inclusion of a range card adds a practical training aid, appealing to buyers seeking a thoughtful, ready-to-give package. On performance, the towel's thicker and softer microfiber can enhance feel and surface cleanliness, though the actual absorbency advantage is not quantified beyond more absorbent claims. The gift box presentation is a strong selling point for holidays and birthdays, but the kit size remains the standard 16 by 16 inch. Maintenance is straightforward with machine washing, and the set's color mix, black, gray, green, offers a bit more variety for bag coordination. For casual players or gift buyers, this bundle delivers clear value and presentation.